What's up guys, Taylor here with Boogie Lights. Today we're taking a look at a very special project and the most lights we've ever put on any RV, anything with wheels really in general. Our friend James from Tulsa, Oklahoma brought his beautiful 2025 Fleetwood Discovery LXE to us on Monday. It is now Friday, so this has been a 5-day project, the entire week, and the total feet of LEDs is right at 400 feet. 400 feet. So what you're looking at here first is the full underglow. He's got a full perimeter package. He's got the wheel wells. He's got a full engine bay in the rear. There's about 100 feet of LEDs just on the slides. There's all 3 sides of the slide. So the left side, the right side, as well as the underslide. These are in a nice aluminum channel with a diffuser over them. Keeps them nice and protected, gives it a really clean finished look. For the roof, we actually did a full roof perimeter, so that space in between the awning and the roof itself, it runs all the way down that, lights up the roof, and then we basically did another full roof perimeter package on top of the awnings that shine up to light up his solar panels. I believe he has 8 or 9-foot residential solar panels on the top of this. He's got 8 57-volt batteries in there, an absolute crazy setup here. So it was a fun project to work on. Now every one of the lights that you're looking at also is our RGBA product, meaning it has the multicolor plus the amber in it. So he can turn the entire bottom and the top on amber as he's running down the road. Now another cool feature we did is we put turn signals all the way down the left and right side of that, which we'll show you here shortly. So as soon as he hits the signals, this entire side of the RV lights up. We also put some brake lights as well as some reverse lights in the engine bay, so when he throws it in reverse at night, his camera, when he looks in his camera, it'll light up the whole area around him, give him a much better field of view there. And then there's some extra brake lights in here, so this whole grill lights up really bright red when he hits the brakes. Now we got these slides in right now, but it's the same thing on these slides, as well as that space, as I was saying, underneath the awnings here. So when he actually brings those awnings out, that light's gonna shine up on the bottom of the awning, gives it like a really nice subtle awning light. Not the same as the awning light that's at the end of your awning, which sometimes can be a little bit harsh. So again, this whole project took 5 days to complete. There's 3 different controllers. There's a dual zone controller for the bottom, there's a dual zone controller for the top, and a single zone controller for the slides. Crazy project to work on. Thank you, James, for bringing this and trusting your rig with us. Everything that you see here was done in-house in Florence, Kentucky at Boogie Lights. Give us a call and get lit up today.